In the winter of 1887, while staying in a modest Berlin apartment, 26-year-old Jose Rizal finished the manuscript that would spark a nation's awakening. Noli Me Tangere. Sa liwanag ng lampara, ang dilim ng ating bayan ay sisikat din. Berlin was a city of science. But for Rizal, it was also a place of scarcity. Money was tight, the printer needed payment, and the manuscript sat unfinished. Ang Noli ay hindi isang kwento lamang. Ito ang katotohanan ng ating bayan. Ang sigaw laban sa abuso ng mga prayle at sa korupsyon ng pamahalaan. Through sleepless nights and financial strain, Rizal poured his heart into the novel, exposing oppression, the Freya rule, and the social cancer eating the Philippines. Touch me not, warned the colonizers not to ignore the Filipino suffering.
Sa bawat pahina, may pag-asa para sa pagbabago.
When Noli reached the Philippine Islands, it ignited the propaganda movement, gave voice to the reformers, and inspired the Katipunan. A single manuscript, forged in hardship, fueled a nation's fight for freedom.